What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and in this video we'll do a quick review but also a price prediction and analysis of Volt Inu, which has been requested a lot last week, especially when we had this entire run. I didn't cover it then because I didn't know about it and I first wanted to read about the project, so I did that yesterday and today. To me, and you can also see from the thumbnail, I think it's a realistic thing to ask yourself if this is a scam. Because Volt Inu, even though it pretends that it has some real value, it is a meme token, to say the very least. And we're going to take a look at it. First of all, hyper-deflationary token, that's red flag number one. And then aim to invest in multiple asset classes. All right, so and then what happens is that they invest in these asset classes with your money, with which you bought Volt Inu. Which you can see, for example, right here. Profits made on treasury investments, which are those things, are used to buy back and burn Volt tokens. And in addition, has implemented a 2% burn tax and another 4% burn tax on BSC, on different exchanges. Another red flag. I don't like burn taxes with every transaction. It's just, it's a meme token characteristic, which there's nothing wrong with it, but then you should know that it's a meme token. And with this, yeah, sure, it sounds great. Profits made on treasury investments are used to buy back and burn Volt tokens, but that means that they are just, well, simply investing with your money. And I don't know, then you have to trust the people that are behind that they will make profits in a bear market, which is pretty hard to do. It's possible, but it's pretty hard to do. And if losses are made on treasury, what happens with it then? Nothing. Well, people lose their money. And then the audit reports both say that there's a lot of centralization, like the owner of the contract can do a lot of things. Just read them for yourself. It's just, in general, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a scam. It looks way too developed for that, but I definitely wouldn't invest in it. And that's my honest opinion. So with that, I do know crypto, and I do know that these tokens can become very bullish and can go up even more. So we'll talk about that because the price looks quite bullish again. We will talk about that, but first, so in general, do I think this is a scam? I think it's leaning towards it. I think it's 100% a meme token, and I think it is not wise to invest in it, even though I fully acknowledge that the price can probably do a 10x or something. Oh no, 10x is too much. Well, the price can go up a little bit more, but not much more than 100 million market cap, I think. So that would be a 25% gain from where we are right now, which is not worth it if you take a look at all the risks, in my opinion, obviously. But I do think I have an opinion with arguments behind it. But that's up to you to decide. Usually when people watch these videos, they're fans of Volt Inu. I think it's also a little bit of my job to be realistic about projects and to tell you what they're really about. Which you may not like, but that's up to you. It's obviously my opinion. If you differ from that, if you do trust the people behind Volt Inu, then it's not a scam, you know, that's how easy it is. If we take a look at the price though, what you can see is that we had a huge rally going all the way from 7,000, which I'll name the prices as, to 21,000, drop down. At this point of time, this really looks like some sort of a recovery rally. We found significant support around 10,000, major psychological support level. And now we are kind of recovering a little bit. That happens quite a lot, that we kind of recover a little bit and then drop down again. So in general, I think it's more likely, like right now we're between 14,000 and let's say, 16,000 as a support and resistance. We're in this little zone, as you can see. What will basically happen is that if we can break above 16,000 from here, then we can actually continue this rally up to 18,000 and even up to 20,000 and 21,000 again. So I do think the possibility is there to actually get up even more with this coin. But at this point of time, just purely looking at the market structure, I think it is more likely that we will break down below 14,000, drop down to 12,500, and then drop back down to 10,000, and this whole level between like 9,500 and 10,000, which I do think can hold for consolidation, and then from there we might even start another rally. So yeah, the price to me is quite not that much connected, or my analysis is not that much connected to what I think of the project. All right, I try to do realistic analysis. I know that these types of tokens can still become very bullish. So that's my full take on it and review. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day and take care. Bye.